Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about organic farming. First of all, definition of organic farming. What is organic farming? As per the definition of United States Department of Agriculture study team on organic farming is a system which avoids or largely excludes the use of synthetic inputs such as fertilizers, hormones, pesticides, feed additives, etc. and to the maximum extent feasible rely upon crop rotation, crop residue, animal manures of farm organic waste, mineral grade rock additives and biological system of nutrient mobilization and plant protection. Now the concept of organic farming. Organic farming is not just exclusion of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. It is basically a farm activity and way of life. The design and application of organic agriculture recognize this essential biological character, work with rather than against natural ecosystem, and often in ways that create job as well as bring sustainability. Nutrition management practices should consider feed the soil rather than the crop, and it is a mean of giving back to nature what has been taken from it. Organic farming does not refer to only input management. This treats the farm as an organism and an holism. The concept of organic means in which all the components, the soil, organic manure, microorganisms, insects, plants, animals, and humans interact to create coherent, self-regulating and stable production system. Now the principles of organic farming. Principle of health. Organic agriculture should sustain and enhance the health of soil, plant, animal, human and planet as one and invisible. Principle of ecology. Organic agriculture should be based on living ecological systems and cycles, work with them, emulate them and help sustain them. Now the principle of fairness. Organic agriculture should build on relationships that ensure fairness with regard to the common environment and life opportunities. Next is the principle of care. Organic agriculture should be managed in a precautionary and responsible manner to protect the health and well-being current and future generations and the environment. Now the objectives of organic farming. Sustainability of nature resources, minimizing cost of cultivation, healthy food, augmentation of profits, improvement in soil health. All these are the principal objectives of organic farming. Now the components of organic farming. Agronomic techniques, crop residue, organic manures, bio-waste, biofertilizers, biopesticides, vermicompost. These are all the components of organic farming. Now the scope of organic farming in India. Potential to produce and supply varied product categories. Vast farmlands available for conversion. Progressive farmers. Rich knowledge base. Government initiatives in promotion of organic products. Only 30% of India's total cultivable area is covered with fertilizer, where irrigation facilities are available, and the remaining 70% of the arable land, which is mainly rain-fed area, has not been using any fertilizer. It is estimated that around 600 to 700 million ton of agricultural waste is available in the country every year, but most of it goes waste. Organic products are considered to be very healthy for humans as well as for animals, and hence command a high premium in the international market. Organic agriculture and organic trade accounts for less than 1% of the total food industry. It has certainly become the fastest growing segment in the food sector. On the processing side, major food processing companies have entered the organic production as well as the majority of the world's biggest supermarket chains on the retail distribution side. The government has launched a national project on organic farming under the 10th plan, which included setting up of a body for formulation of national standards to boost organic farm exports.